Alrighty. 2003. What is it? Subaru Impreza Outback. Bearing here. Press in real quick. So far, took the ball joint off. Everything off here. Got this out. It's gonna get replaced. Pressing the bearing in now. Should be a magnetics, no? Huh. Guess I don't use magnets. Don't matter. Straight as possible. Like that. Flip this over. There. Alrighty, it's pressed in. Perfect. Easy peasy. Just gotta put a slip ring in here. I can just do this. Alrighty, slip ring in. Put it wrong. Once again, just to make sure. Alright. Back seal's on. Looks good. Let's do the same thing with this one. Alrighty. Let's see what's on. Beautiful. Alright, so yeah, just gotta press that down a little bit. Alright, let's put all this back together. Alright, don't take the plastic piece out until you press in the hub. Noted. Perfect. Hell yeah. I'll check this because this sealed. Still got slack. But I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be like that. Because it's gonna lock once you put the damn axle in there. So it ain't gonna move then. It's just weird that there's that. But yeah, that fucker's in there.
It moved like that when we unbolted the door.
It's going. I can use your wrench too. I don't like to impact these all the way on. I like to wrench them on so I know how to. Yeah, ratchet. Damn, that's fucking solid. I know how tight they are. All right. Well, it's there. You can tell when the shit flies in your face. I want to hit this fucking nice new nut. Oh, different. It's 15. I didn't even get to use the 15. Nope, there's 17. 18. Oh, there's 18. Whoops. Perfect. Freaking perfect. Looking thing back on here. Come back to that. Looks like that. I'm really slacking on my wrench game. Yeah, I think. Bitch. Oh yeah, way easier to do it this way. Or,
You got rest right next to you.
I don't know what the damn here.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh yeah, attached. Good. Cancel that. What is it? 17. Yep. Oh, it's a 16. It is a 16. You got a 16?
Yeah.
Impact rate?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good enough. Cancel that. Cool GPM.